Ever bought high, sold low, and then told yourself, next time will be different? Yeah, us too. If you've ever made a money move that felt smart in the moment but dumb in hindsight, this book is for you. Stick around. We promise it'll be 5 minutes better spent than refreshing your portfolio. Carl Richards, a certified financial planner and columnist for the New York Times, wrote The Behavior Gap to spotlight the costly mistakes we make with money, not because we lack information, but because we're human. This book isn't about getting rich quick or picking hot stocks. It's about understanding our behavior so we stop sabotaging our financial goals. What makes it stand out? Simplicity. The chapters are short, punchy, and paired with hand-drawn sketches that bring each lesson to life. Here are our 3 key takeaways. 1. We don't need perfect plans. We need realistic ones. Richards argues that financial perfection is an illusion. Life is unpredictable, so chasing the perfect investment or bulletproof plan is a waste of time. Instead, focus on creating flexible strategies that align with your values and goals. 2. The behavior gap is real. The core concept. The difference between investment returns and investor returns. Why the gap? Emotions. We panic. We chase trends. We listen to the noise. Awareness is step 1. Having a plan that keeps us grounded is step 2. 3. Simple isn't easy. The best financial moves often aren't flashy, like staying the course during a market dip or paying down high-interest debt. Simple strategies work, but sticking to them when emotions run high, that's the challenge. This book is perfect for anyone who wants to make smarter decisions with money but doesn't want to drown in jargon. Whether you're just starting out or you've been investing for years, the behavior gap will help you see money through a more mindful lens. We give the behavior gap a solid 9 out of 10. It's insightful without being preachy and practical without being boring. What stood out most? Carl's humility. He admits his own missteps and uses them to teach, making this not just a finance book, but a book about being human. So if you're tired of making the same financial mistakes, give this book a shot. Grab your own copy using the link in the description and check out the full written review down there too. Let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another quick, no-fluff finance review. Until next time, keep it simple, stay the course, and close that behavior gap.